In this video we see about software process. Software process means a set of interrelated actions and activities that is called as a process. A set of related activities that leads to the production of the software. The tools and techniques acts on the process to achieve the desired outcome. Process means it has its own set of inputs and produces the outputs. A series of steps and designing involved in the way the work is completed is known as a process. Different software development process are linear sequential model, layered technology, prototyping model, RAD, process framework and CMM. First one is linear sequential model, is also called as predictive life cycle and classical life cycle model. Linear sequential model is a performed in a sequence of actions, that means a step-by-step process. And the linear sequential model was initial step in developing a software product. The process of developing is divided into sequence of actions from requirement analysis, designing, coding, testing, implementation and maintenance. Each activity is carried out in a linear order. The result of the first activity is forwarded to the next stage and to the final stage. Without the completion of previous stage and forwarding the result, next activity cannot be executed. In this approach follows a strict sequence. Next one is advantage. It is easy to understand and implementation because of this model executed in sequential manner. Disadvantage, each step takes its own time, that means one step is completed, then it moves to the next step. Next topic is layered technology. Layered technology consists of 4 categories. First one is a quality process. A main principle of software engineering is quality focus. Quality is very important for developing a software. Next one is a process. It allows the development of software on time. Next one is method. It provides technical knowledge for developing a software. Tools. These tools provide automated and semi-automated. Automated means operated by largely automatic equipment, and semi-automated means combine the activities of man and machine. Next topic is prototype model. This prototype model is used to interact and experiment with the working model of the system is known as prototype. Prototype means it is a test or preliminary model of an idea, design, process and service. At any stage, if the user is not satisfied the prototype, it can be discarded and an entirely new system can be developed. This diagram represents a prototype model. It is a starting process and a stop process. First one is a requirements gathering and analysis. A prototype model begins with requirement analysis and requirement of the system are defined in detail. Next one is a quick design. Quick design, when requirements are known, quick design for the system is created. It includes only the important aspects of the system which gives an ideas of the system to the user. Next one is a build prototype. The build prototype, it informations are gathered from quick design, is modified to form the first prototype. It is the working model of the required system. Next one is user evaluation. It is used to recognize strength and weakness, such as what is to be added or removed. Next one is refining prototype. Once the user evaluates the prototype and if he is not satisfied, the current prototype is refined. Refined means reprocess. This process continues until all the requirements specified by the user are met. Last one is engineered product. Once the requirements are completely met, the user accepts the final prototype and final system is evaluated for preventing large scale failures. And in next class we will discuss about RAD, process framework and CMM. Thank you.